Ate Jessa, and today I will going to tell you another story. But before we start, may I ask you, do you see or know what lilac is? Okay, our story is all about the proud lilac lily. Rated by CJ and illustrated by Larry A. Diolola and colored by Lloyd Giller D. Ibarra. Are you ready to hear the story about the proud lilac lily? Okay, let's go. Lilac lily looks around and proudly tells the other lilies, "I'm the prettiest." That is how she feels. "Look at Lilac Lily, how pretty she is," says Luli. "I want to touch her velvety petals," says Lulu. Lilac Lily hears what the girls say. She looks at the other lilies and tells them, "Do you hear that? They like me, not anybody else." Without them knowing, the flower fairy hears and sees everything. Flower fairy does not like what proud lilac lily says. "Wow! Look at my favorite lily, the white lily?" Loida asked. "The yellow lily?" asked Lizzie. "No," Lenny answers. "The pink lily?" asked Ludi. "No, the lilac lily. She's the prettiest. She is the best," Lenny replies. Lilac lily looks at pink lily and says, "No one will pick you because I'm the loveliest." As she picks those words, flower fairy flicks her wand and lilac lily grows tall as some of her petals fall. Lilac lily carries on with her proud ways. Every time she speaks with pride, one or two of her petals fall. One day, a storm strikes the village. It hits the pond and the lily's body. Everyone in the village looks for Lilac Lily. "Where is the Lilac Lily? Where are you, Lilac Lily?" shout the other lilies. "I am here," says a tiny sad voice. They all look at her and say, "Oh no! You're not Lilac Lily?" "Yes, I am. I'm sorry. I was so proud. I always thought I was the best," cries Lilac Lily. "Now I know that we are all beautiful." Flower fairy listens. She sees how sorry and sad Lilac Lily is. Flower fairy smiles and quietly says, "Now you have learned your lesson, Lilac Lily. It is not good to be proud." She flicks her wand. Lilac Lily is lovely once more. And that's the end of our story. The moral lesson of the story is, don't be proud and be humble at all times. See you next time, kids! Once again, I am Ate Jessa. Bye-bye!